I'm at this client. I take care of a few units in this place, and it's a private school that teaches kids with disabilities. And they were closed before COVID and during COVID. And just recently they're getting prepared to open up. They put their AC on and they didn't realize that their unit was stolen. So I feel sometimes, times like this, gotta help out each other a bit. So I have a used R22 system that I took out not too long ago. I'll be using that here, and I'll be getting a R22 new coil for this system behind me. You know, it's not good for business, but it is what it is. Stay tuned, enjoy, and let's get this party started. Rain is coming. Rain is coming. Right? It happens to all of us. I was trying to finish everything outside, which I did. Just gotta tidy up some wires because I knew this was coming. So let's go work on the inside. Well, no good deed goes unpunished, right? It's funny because AT Madam just finished saying that on a live stream the other night. I was just about to weigh in the charge, and a staff member came to me telling me to talk to management. I thought they were on site, but I guess they weren't. Sucked. It would have been nice to talk to them in person. Anyways, I called, and apparently them and the leaser have an agreement. Some things they fix, and some things they have their guy to fix on the properties. You know, the day was going off rough. It started raining. Usually when you do try to do something nice, it's true, it does bite you in the app. But it is what it is. They're gonna have a meeting. They might call me back, they might not. Oh well, it's part of the job. It's an obstacle, it's a test. You gotta overcome it and go with it, right? Well, I'll show you the rest of that clip, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.